Hello student, today I am going to teach about the subject Money and Banking, class 11, chapter 2nd and its part 6. In this video we will discuss about role of money in modern economy. And in other words, this is the advantages of money, characteristics of money and role of money in modern economy. Money occupies the most important position in the modern economy. It is an accepted fact that money facilitates and motivates all the economic activities in a country. A country's economic development is measured in terms of money. This type of monetary system, that is money, followed by the country determines the extent of economic development of that nation. Money is an powerful instrument for capital formation both in developed as well as in developing countries of the world. Money occupies such as a unique position that today's economy is rightly called as a money economy. We know that money play a very important role in for developing the countries, whether the countries is developed or underdeveloped. And the first point is overcoming the inconvenience of barter. Difficulties of barter lead to the introduction of money, and today's money remove all the inconveniences of barter exchange. Its importance lies in the fact that it serves as a medium of exchange, a measure of value, a store of value, and a standard of deferred payment. Money is not only help to overcome the difficulties of barter, but it also helps to develop the economy faster with the help of money. The world has today moved into the space age. It means that we know that during the barter system, barter exchange, people was face a lots of difficulties for exchanging goods. But before after invention of money, these difficulties are overcome. And we know that the money have a lots of importance and lots of advantages. Money can be used as a medium of exchange, and money has a measure of value 10,001 rupees that are the measure of values in which can be compared with product and things. And money can be stored, other thing can be stored but face a lots of difficulties, but money can be easily stored in any place, and we take a small places for storing the money. And the standard of deferred payment, standard of deferred money is only thing which can be paid in installment, other thing are not possible to paid in installment. Money not only help to overcome the difficulties of, but also money is not only money, the role of money is not only to overcome the difficulties of barter, but the main important thing that is very helpful for the economy of any nation. Money play a very important role for developing the economy, for increasing the growth rate of an economy. With the help of the money, the world has today moved into the space age. If any country have a lots of money, have a huge capital, then this company come into the developed countries. So we know that we easily understand the first point very well. The second point is accelerates the process of industrialization. Barter being limited to local market, producer was always hesitate to produce more, even though he had a capacity to do so. During barter exchange, a barter system, that is the market. The area of market is very limited, and that is a local market. And the producer of this market, a producer of any commodities, face a lots of difficulties because they don't know how much product, how much quantities this, how much these products are demanded, and they have a capacity to produce more, but they have a hesitation, they have a fear कि these goods are produced by him may be wastage if the product are not purchased. But after invention of money, more and more producer enterprise engage in the industrial field. Money ensured that sale of more products and further result in establishing more and more industries. After money inventions, money introduced, money are used, then huge and big industries are established, and more profit are earned through money. And money is also facilitated the division of labor, industrialization combined with division of labor and specialization. So that is only possible with the help of money, and money is very helpful for developing the industrialized sector. The third point is enable a consumer to maximize his satisfaction. That is a very important role of money. That is, money has facilitated consumer to purchase the commodity of their choice. Every consumer have a want and have a want to purchase those commodity which give a maximum satisfaction, which those goods which give the maximum satisfaction. And this is possible with the help of money. Consumer want to those goods when when the consumer have money, and consumer purchase these goods, and that create maximum satisfaction to the consumer. The fourth point is help in capital formation. Money as a store of value help in saving, and saving and investment result in capital formation. It enables the entrepreneur to harness the factor of production so as to achieve maximum profit. Saving in form of money increase production and thereby boost of the economic development of a country. And the more the capital formation, better economic development of people will be. It means that we know that तो मनी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसको हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं. स्टोर किस फॉर्म में होता है, जिसको हम कहते हैं सेविंग. सेविंग हर एक पर्सन सेविंग रखता है, और सेविंग करना और फिर इन्वेस्टमेंट जो हम सेव करें या कुछ हमने इन्वेस्ट किया किसी भी फील्ड में, तो वो क्या हुआ, इन रिजल्टिंग कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. अब दूसरी जो भी हम इन्वेस्ट करें, जो भी हमारा कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करता है मनी, तो एंटरप्रेन्योर जो भी है हमारे इंडस्ट्रीज़ के, उसको उस फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शंस को, उस चीज़ को यूज़ करने में मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट मिला उनको. इन्वेस्टमेंट पैसे को उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया, पीपल ने पैसे को इन्वेस्ट किया, और उस इन्वेस्टमेंट से उनको प्रॉफिट मिला. प्रॉफिट जब मिला किसी भी चीज़ से, तो वो क्या हुआ कि उस कंट्री की इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट वो बूस्ट हुई. तो डैट किसी भी कंट्री की इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट बूस्ट होना मतलब वो कंट्री बूस्ट हो रही है. हेल्प इन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. द फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज फैसिलिटेट्स इंक्रीज क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन. Credit transaction become a reality with the advent of money. Today, transaction and deferred payment are undertaken quick and conveniently with the help of money. Money lender, financial institution, and bank advance loan to producer, businessman, and trader. Money facilitate increased credit ट्रांजैक्शन. वी नो डैट द क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन, कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन जो उधार पर होता है वो मनी में ही सिर्फ पॉसिबल हो सकता है. कैसे ट्रांजैक्शन और डिफर्ड पेमेंट आर अंडरटेकन क्विक कन्वेंटली विद द हेल्प ऑफ मनी. और भी मनी लेंडर्स है, तो वो किसी पर्सन को अगर मनी दे रहा है तो उधार ही पर दे रहा है, तो ये सिर्फ मनी में ही पॉसिबल होती है, नॉट फॉर अ गुड्स, नॉट फॉर अ बार्टर सिस्टम, बार्टर एक्सचेंज. financial institution, and there are lots of financial institution which give loan and which help financial help to businessmen and the business and industries. So this is and the bank provide loan to producer, businessman and trader. This is possible only for money and not for any goods and commodities. So we can say that money facilitate increased credit transaction. I hope you can understand very well about the role of money in modern economy. Yeah, we can say that advantages, merit and characteristics of money. Thank you.